वर्कस्पेस समिट एक इवेंट लेके आया है जो कि 11 जुलाई को होने वाला है। इसमें आपको बहुत ही डिमांडेड स्किल्स जो कि रिसेंटली ट्रेंडिंग है उसके बारे में आपको नॉलेज दी जाएगी। और हाइब्रिड एरा, लाइक a new era of hybrid teams, a new era of AI frontiers, and the new era of meaningful collaboration across the organization. Their culture to accelerate innovation, modernization, workflows, and attractive and retain the next generation workforce. This all things you will get learn, and opening agenda होगा, इसके अंदर main agenda होगा, और these will gonna be speakers of your okay, and keynote of generative AI उसमें, और driving a culture of innovation in a workspace, multinational workforce, business value framework for technology choices, taking a secure data-driven approaches to hybrid work, empowering and your frontline workforce and strategic advantage, returning to the office or remote work forever. This will gonna be future conversation for hybrid work also. The collaboration for the business users with SAP and Google Workspace, hacking digital transformations with Google Workspace. These are the topics we're gonna cover in this workspace meeting or summit. You have just need to click here. After clicking here, you will get few questions, yes, and register, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching.